What if you could attract wealth and abundance into your life? Not just dream about it, but actually live it every day. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money, opportunities, and abundance without even trying, while others struggle, no matter how hard they work? Today, we're diving deep into the mindset, strategies, and daily practices that can help you manifest wealth and abundance, not through magic, but through intentional action, aligned thoughts, and a proven understanding of how prosperity truly works. First things first, manifestation isn't some mystical secret reserved for a chosen few. It's a process where your thoughts, beliefs, and actions come together to create the reality you live in. If you've ever heard the phrase, "your thoughts create your reality," here's the truth. They do, but only when backed by consistent, purposeful action. Let's start with your mindset. Wealth begins in the mind before it ever appears in your bank account. If you believe you're destined to struggle financially, your subconscious will find ways to confirm that belief. But if you reframe your internal story, if you start to believe that abundance is your natural state, you begin to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. This is why daily affirmations, gratitude journaling, and visualization aren't just feel-good exercises. They retrain your brain to expect prosperity. Now, let's get practical. Visualization isn't daydreaming, it's mental rehearsal. Picture yourself with financial freedom. What does life look like? Where are you living? How are you spending your days? Who is around you? The more vivid and consistent the image, the more your subconscious aligns your decisions toward making it real. But here's where many people go wrong. They stop at the mental picture without taking tangible steps. So, after you visualize, you act. Start by setting clear financial goals, anything from saving your first $10,000, to starting a steady passive income stream, to investing in assets that grow over time. Write those goals down. Give them deadlines. Break them into achievable daily steps. If you want to manifest abundance, your goals must have structure. Here's my favorite method: the alignment equation. Thoughts plus emotions plus actions plus consistency. First, nurture thoughts of abundance. Second, attach positive emotions to those thoughts. Feel the excitement, the relief, the joy. Third, take actions that move you closer to your goal. And finally, repeat consistently until those thoughts, emotions, and actions become your habitual pattern. We can't talk about manifesting wealth without discussing gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, making it easier for more abundance to flow into your life. Think about it. If you're constantly focused on what you don't have, your mind becomes tuned to scarcity. But if you acknowledge and appreciate what you already have, you signal to your subconscious, "I live in a world of plenty." This attracts more opportunities, relationships, and financial growth. Let's also address limiting beliefs. Many of us grew up hearing phrases like, "money doesn't grow on trees," or "rich people are greedy." These ideas sit quietly in the background, shaping how we approach financial growth. To truly manifest wealth, you must replace these beliefs with empowering ones, like, "money is a tool for good," or "wealth allows me to make a greater positive impact." In terms of daily habits, here are some powerful ones that can fast-track your journey. Start your day with affirmations that reinforce abundance. Spend at least 10 minutes visualizing your ideal financial future. Read books or listen to podcasts that elevate your mindset and financial literacy. Regularly review your goals and adjust them for growth. Make a habit of acting on opportunities quickly. Abundance favors the prepared. Networking is another hidden key. Surround yourself with people who think big, act boldly, and inspire you. The energy you absorb from your environment influences your own energy. If you spend time with those who constantly complain or see problems instead of solutions, your vision of abundance will dim. On the other hand, uplifting environments help you stay focused and inspired. Remember, manifesting wealth and abundance isn't only about financial richness. True abundance also includes health, relationships, creativity, and peace of mind. When you aim for a well-rounded life, finances tend to improve as a natural result. The bottom line: if you want to manifest wealth, start by mastering your mindset, setting clear goals, acting decisively, practicing gratitude, and continually surrounding yourself with positive influences. What you think, say, feel, and do consistently shapes the reality you live in. If this video gave you insights or renewed your focus on abundance, take a moment to subscribe to KnowledgeQuest, because this channel is all about fostering growth in every area of life. Leave a comment below and tell me one belief about money you're going to change starting today, and I'll check back to see how your journey progresses. And stay tuned. Our next video will dive into the science behind attracting opportunities, so you can keep expanding your abundance in ways you never thought possible.